Hello guys, in this video we are going to compare two logic gates, inclusive OR gate or simply OR gate and exclusive OR gate or an XOR gate. Let us compare the two gates on the basis of their symbol, their logic, Boolean expression and truth table. These are the symbols of inclusive OR gate and exclusive OR gate. The inclusive OR gate or OR gate is represented with this symbol in the circuit and XOR gate is represented with this symbol in the logic circuit. The logic of OR gate is when A is high or B is high or both are high, then Y is high. A and B are the inputs of OR gate. When A is high or B is high or both are high, then Y is high. The logic of XOR gate is when A is high or B is high but not both, then Y is high. That means when A input is high or B input is high, then only the output is high. If both the inputs are high, the output will be 0. This is expressed, the logic is expressed using the Boolean expression also. The Boolean expression for OR gate is Y is equal to A or B. This is plus sign which is an OR operator, and XOR gate is having its Boolean expression like this: Y is equal to A XOR B. This is XOR operator which is doing this operation A bar B plus A B bar. Let us compare the truth tables. As per the logic, when A is high or B is high or both are high, the output is high. For all these three conditions, the output of OR gate is high. Only when all the inputs, both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. And in case of exclusive OR gate, only when A is high or B is high, output is high. Exclusively when A is high or B is high, Y is high, but not both. That means when both the inputs are high, the output will not be high, it will be 0, right. So this is the difference. When both the inputs of OR gate are high, its output is high, but when both the inputs of XOR gate are high, its output is 0. Let us consider the multiple input gates. In case of OR gate, when there are multiple inputs, that means more than two inputs, when any one input of OR gate is high, then its output is high. When any one input is high, its output is high, and when all the inputs are 0, then only the output of OR gate is 0. In case of XOR gate, when odd number of inputs are high, then its output is high. Odd number of inputs means if say 3 inputs are high, out of here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is having 5 inputs. If 3 inputs are high, the output will be high, or if 5 inputs are high, odd number of inputs are high, then output is high, and when even number of inputs are high, then its output is low. This is the difference between OR gate and XOR gate. You can solve these two questions given for exercise, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you.